Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about why NIO is down so much. Now, if y'all haven't noticed, NIO is down about $1.50. So y'all might be asking, hey, why is this guy falling down on NIO? We're going to go over everything. We're going to go over what areas I'm looking at and what's next for NIO. Before we get into that, guys, I'd like to remind you once again, I have a link in the description below for my free Discord server. Go ahead and join that if you want to be a part of the community. Like I said, we post charts during market open. We're super active and we do all types of trading ideas. Now, if you want to join my membership program, it is a monthly subscription, $10.99 a month. I go live with them every single night. They call out stocks, and if you like that, you like how I break down stocks, go ahead and join that as well. And if you need help, just at me in the Discord or private DM me. So let's get right into NIO and let's talk about what happened today in areas I'm watching. So my previous video yesterday on NIO, I was talking about that if we fail to get above this area right here at 46.90, around that area, because it acted as support, so now it was acting as resistance. If we failed to get above that, guys, then we were heading back down to 44.73, and that's exactly what happened, guys. We opened up, we instantly got rejected by that level. Now, something also was happening with NIO, which I'm looking at, is that we didn't hold the area at 44.73. As you can see, we're at 44.22. So we didn't hold that area that I thought we were going to hold. That was a strong support. So we're getting rejected by it now. So it's acting as a resistance. Over here, it acted as a support. So now it's actually turning into a resistance. And that's something you don't want to see, especially if you're bullish on NIO. Now the next level I charted out for NIO, where we have a stronger support, it's at this area right here at 42.50. So around 42.50 and 42.70, give or take, between that area, that's where we have a stronger support. So if we do continue this downtrend, guys, we probably still have some more room to go. So we possibly could fall tomorrow back to this 42 area if we do not get going soon. If the bulls don't show up and we start pushing up, we will fall back down to this area right here. Now today, closing today, we really only have about 15 more minutes, not long. We have less than an hour. So if we really want to get in gear, guys, we need to get above 44.73. So if you're watching this as a recording, I'm probably going to post it after market close, just because I just posted my Xpeng video. So right now, at the time of this recording, we're at 44.24, and we're most likely not going to get above 44.73. But if we do, that's a good sign. So going to tomorrow's session on Tuesday, that's what I'm going to be looking for. We need to have this continuation play. So if we're going to have this continuation play, we definitely need to get above 44.73, guys. If we fail to get above that, that's another bearish sign, as I talked about before, that we've held this level many times before. So now it's acting as a resistance. So if you're bullish on NIO, this is not what you want to see. But if we do fall, if we do keep getting rejected by this level, like I said, I am looking for some buyers at this 42.50 area. I do think buyers will show up here, but we may not even hit this area, right? But we are continuing to sell off. You see right now, as I'm recording this video, we're still selling off. So I really think that we're probably heading back down to this 42 range, 42.50 range. And if we don't, then we definitely need to continue and push past this resistance. So let's say we get above it. Now we need to look at this level once again. If we get above this level at 44.73, we need to get above this resistance level also as well. Notice how we got rejected here twice, and over here it acted as a support. So we know this is an important level to keep an eye out for, because if we push up to it, we're either going to get rejected or we're going to pass right through it. And that's exactly what you want to do if you're bullish on NIO. You need to pass through this level and then ultimately start heading back up to these levels over here. But we can't do any of that until, guys, we turn this around and we start pushing past this first level right here. Like I said, if we fail to get below that, guys, I really see us heading back down to 42.50. And then if we get below 42.50, guys, we're probably not going to find any more buyers until we get down to 38.14. That's going to be a strong support. It has been before. So right now, NIO definitely needs some recovery, guys. We've been just on this constant sell-off. So I know it's been exhausting, guys, but just hold tight. We still have NIO Day coming up, so we still have that positive news. And this is just a current dip. So I would just hold on, guys. If you have shares for the long term, don't let this shake you out. Just keep holding those shares. And if you're a trader, though, that's when you have to develop these plans I've been talking about. So if you're trading this, where would I have my stop loss? So if I were to get in right now, if I was trading this, I would have my stop loss at 41.90. So I would let it go down to this level and I'd tag out underneath it. That's how I structure my trade. But guys, this is only if I was trading it. If you're investing in it, then don't worry about this plan. This is only if you're trading it. You need to have a stop loss. If you're not trading it, don't have a stop loss because you're an investor. You're looking to hold it for the long term. But I do hope NIO does get some type of reversal. So for those holding shares right now, we need to get above 44.73. That's the ultimate thing we need to do right now. So keep that in mind. Have that in your head tomorrow. 44.73 is a big area we need to get above and hold above. The important part is that we hold above it. If we fail to hold above it, we're just going to come crashing right down and the plan is no longer in play. So important thing is, guys, we hold above 44.73 and then we can start having the talks of it getting back to this $46, $47 range. But until then, it needs to get above 44.73 and hold above it. Then I'll make another update video going on talking about what happened tomorrow. Then I'll do my thought process on what NIO's doing based off of tomorrow's price action. Anyways, guys, I'd like to remind you once again, I still have my free Discord. Go ahead and join that. And if you want to join my membership chat, we're super active. So go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you all in the next video.